Hello friends. They gave me a keychain to make a new case. The old one has already fallen apart over time, so I need to make a new one. But first I need to clean the board because I see that water got in here. The board was cleaned on both sides, and now let's try to model a case for this board. I also found a problem with the LED. It worked sometimes and then didn't. The reason for that was water ingress. I had to replace it. Initially there was a red LED here and I installed a blue one. Now everything works just fine. So, we figured out the board and the backlight. Now we need to make a case. Here's the case I managed to make. Let's see. The case was made like this. The buttons are made of polyurethane. They are soft and made in such a way that moisture does not penetrate the keyboard. This way, water is blocked even if it penetrates through the button. The same soft material as on the old key. Then I made a special transparent insert from ABS plastic, in order to transfer the LED glow from the board to the outer case. As you can see, I also made two buttons and made a hole for a key ring. I also made a compartment for the battery on both sides, and also special inserts holding the board in the case. Let's install it. The board is installed into the case very simply. Then we insert the battery. The cover is assembled from 3 parts: the case, buttons and a transparent insert. Let's assemble. The lid slammed shut tightly, but to make sure the lid wouldn't open when dropped, I designed 2 holes for screws. That way, even after a hard fall, the lid wouldn't open or break. We have screws fastening the alarm key fob housing crosswise. Let's see how this key fob works. Press the buttons and see how the LED lights up. You can turn off the lights so that you can see. Here is such an interesting keychain we got. Moreover, the case is designed so that rain cannot penetrate from the side of the keychain because there is a special groove made there that makes it difficult for water to get to the board. Many people wonder why it is so expensive when you make just one part. Let me explain to you. Because in order to adjust all the dimensions to the ideal option, a lot of material is used. Since the material shrinks and, conversely, expands after printing. Let's see how much material I used before I got the ideal option. And only after all these expenses did I get the ideal keychain option. And now such cases can be made en masse and their cost will decrease because you no longer need to develop a model from scratch. That's all, friends. Such an interesting device turned out. I hope the video was useful. Subscribe to the channel and don't forget to put your thumb up. Good luck.